Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing U.S. tourist visas, and we're also discussing immigrant spouse visas in the form of the CR-1. That's the conditional resident spouse visa to the United States. It does confer a green card, but as noted in prior videos, it's conditional residency, so the green card is for a 2-year duration rather than a 10-year duration associated with the IR-1 visa. That being stated, what we're talking about here is in certain circumstances, you'll see situations where an individual who is seeking, well, a couple, I should say, where the foreign spouse, in most cases in our practice, the spouse who's a Thai national, where he or she is seeking a CR-1 visa, they've previously been issued a B1 or a B2, or oftentimes, more oftentimes than not, what's called a B1, B2 tourist or business traveler visa, basically colloquially referred to as a tourist visa. So you've got this person who's gone ahead and filed for immigrant spousal visa benefits, but they've got a perfectly valid tourist visa for the United States. Where does that leave them with respect to traveling into the United States, sort of temporarily or at all while this CR-1 application is pending? Well, it leaves them in quite a bind from the standpoint of intent. Basically, what you have to get to the bottom of is whether or not the individual in question could be deemed to have immigrant intent at the time of entering the United States. And this is a question that needs a lot of sussing out. The other thing is it could, as a result of that, the individual traveling into the United States on a tourist visa with a pending immigrant visa could be found inadmissible to the United States as an intending immigrant without proper documentation. Again, oftentimes the sort of default position, if you will, could be construed as not a good idea to use a tourist visa after an immigrant visa has been filed, after a petition has been filed. That being said, there are limited circumstances where it may be feasible, where you've got an individual who really does have true non-immigrant intent for that particular trip. Again, it's going to be heavily circumstantially dependent, and for that reason, it's a very good idea to go ahead and seek the advice of a legal professional who deals with immigration matters in order to ascertain the exact nuance and the best method for using visas based on the given couple's circumstances. So the thing to take away from this video is, although it's probably not the best idea to utilize a tourist visa when going to the United States, if an immigrant visa is already pending due to intention issues, there may be a limited set of circumstances where it is okay, where there really is non-immigrant intent for that narrow situation. But that being said, again, this video should not be viewed broadly. It should be viewed as simply sort of a superficial explanation about how these things operate. And those watching this video are strongly recommended to contact a legal professional if circumstances similar to those in this video are present in that individual's given case, and go ahead and ascertain the best way to utilize all of their visa options in their given circumstances.